Let us practice Yoga Nidra today. Take a few minutes to connect with yourself to reset the nervous system. During this practice, you remain awake, aware, even as the body is in deep rest. Look for a quiet place and lie on your back. You may lie on a mat or a bed. Let the feet be slightly apart, arms at a little distance from the body, palms facing up. Make yourself comfortable. You may drift into a deep sleep or a dream state. Simply bring your attention back. Bring your awareness back to the voice. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. As you exhale, let all the tension release from the shoulders. Bring your awareness to any area of the body that may be in pain or troubling you. Relax it. Let us begin with an intention. Say in your mind, I am relaxed. I am calm. I am relaxed and I am calm. One more time, I am relaxed. I am calm. Take a breath, feeling relaxed. Exhale, let all the stress release. Slightly move your feet and relax them. Wriggle your toes and relax them. Bring your awareness to the calves, legs. Relax. Knees, thighs, and your hips. Let all the tension release from the lower area of the body. Let the awareness rotate through your body. Bring your awareness to the stomach. Keep your stomach loose, soft. Onto the spine. The lower area, lumbar area, the middle of the spine, and the upper back. Release all the stress from the back. Bring your awareness to the shoulders and arms. Relax them. The arms, the fingers, Let the body feel one with the earth. Let the awareness rotate through your whole body, relaxing every area. Through the chest, the stomach, once more to the spine, hips, legs, feet and the toes. Gently shift your awareness to the top of your head, forehead. Let eyes be soft, still. Relax your cheeks. The ears, the mouth, relax the tongue, there may be some sensations, notice them. Feel the lightness. Feel the mind being light. Let us repeat the intention once more. Let us repeat the intention. I am relaxed and I am calm. At this time, you're absorbing the energy from the universe. You are in touch with the universe. You're becoming one with the universe. Visualize whoever you believe in, your deity, your God, the nature. Feel one with the unity, feel one with the universe, and relax. Let the awareness rotate throughout your body. Relaxing every part of your body. Keep your focus around your forehead. Keep your focus in the center of your eyebrows. Let the light of the universe protect you. Like a sheet of covering, a sheet of protection all over you. It is taking away your troubles, any pains of the body. It's helping you to become one with the earth. Become one with the universal energy. Your inner self is totally calm. Your mind is calm. Body is relaxed. Go deeper within. Deeper within yourself. Take one breath and breathe out. Become aware of all your body relaxed. Bring your awareness to the fingers and slowly move them. Wriggle your toes. Stretch your arms over your head. Inhale. And as you bring back your arms, exhale. Rub your palms. Place them on your face. You may turn to one side and come up whenever you wish. Thank you. God bless.